Hello everybody, this is Mahtab. Today we are going to learn how to remove background from any picture. So open your internet browser and type remove.bg and this website will be open. Now upload your image here. Okay, I have selected this image to remove background. Open this picture and automatically background will be removed from your picture. You can see your original picture here and this is background removed. Now you can see further designs related to your picture that are automatically designed for you. Backgrounds are removed from your pictures. You can download any image from here. Okay, and let's see how to download. Just click this download button and the picture will automatically be downloaded into your device. Thank you very much.